yung part 7. So, gigising na pala. Gigising na nga pala ako. Hala, nag-aano pala eh. Nag-o-o'clock na pala eh. Malapit na. Kakain mo muna nga ako. Gigisingin ko muna si mami. Uy, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Ikaw talaga. Inaano mo na yung kumot dito. Mami. Hindi ka tinatawag mo. Kala niya daw, siya daw yung tinatawag ko. Mami, gising ka na dyan. Ay, bakit na? Bakit? Kasi yung ulam di ko po maluto. Hindi ako marunong magluto. Hindi pa po bata pa lang po ako. Kaya gising ka na dyan. Mag-i-school na ako po. Okay. Tara na, nak. Ano ba yun? Mabilis na agad kami. Hindi nagsabay. My favorite rub. Ay, nandito. Bakit nandito pa si Mami? Hindi siya makapasok. Ulitin nga natin. Hindi siya nga makapasok. Hindi siya makapasok. Sa ref. Kasi nakatago yan sa ref. Dapat maglakad. Uy, iwan na. Ay, umupo ka na muna dyan. Okay po. Na lang pa yung ulam niya. Baka kapag naabot tayo ng 14, may part 8 na po ito, guys. Ha? Ay, dito nga pala ako magluluto. Asa? Wala. Asan yun? Guys, nawala. Ano ba yun? Ulit na tayo, guys. Ay. Ulit tayo. Ano ba yan? Buksan na lang kaya natin habang hindi nandito. Ayan, nabuksan na natin. Ayan. Saan yung plato? Ay, asan yung plato? Asan na kaya yung plato? Ay, hindi pa yata natin inano yung plato. Ala, nakalimutan natin. Tara na. Pag-ano na tayo ng plato. Ay, dito pala yung plato. Nakalimutan ko. Hindi ko kasi alam eh. Dito pala. Asan ako? Ayan. Ano natin kutsara? Mahilig ako kasi magkawak ng egg cake. Asa? Lang nga. Anin ko na lang nga. Yan. Anin ko na lang. Bakit palagi nahuhugod?
Even know how to fish. What are you trying to show?
Yan.
Yeah.
Ano na lang nga. Hawakan na.
Do you want to come back into the water?
Not today. Maybe next time.
Ano ba yan? Hindi maabot. Ay, maabot. Mahabot. Huwag na nga lang magkanto. Hindi mahabot. Ay, hindi na lalagay dun eh. Ito na lang. Kain ka na naka. Kain ka na dyan. Huwag na na to.
So give me that meat. I'll bite your neck if you don't. Rah, 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 rah. Ow. I'm the great Allosaurus. I come. So give me your food.
This one isn't even scared.
Don't you understand what I'm saying? You better be careful.
Paano kaya?
Look at those teeth.
I'm sending you off with a warning this time.
Yan.
Go.
Tapos na ka. Okay.
Enjoy your food.
What do you order, Mommy? Okay.
Well, I can't go back
Sino
home like
kasama?
this. The next dinosaur I see, I'm going to show them how strong and scary I am. Huh? I am the strong Allosaurus. Who are you?
I am Tyrannosaurus, a tyrant lizard.
Tyrant lizard? But he has short arms and only 2 pairs of talons.
Di mababa.
What?
Kasi yung water dito.
Don't.
I'll show you my powerful tail. Sharp teeth.
He's terrified. Mr. T-Rex, I wasn't trying to fight you. Allosaurus shamefully went back to the forest
ito
where
na.
his friends were. Welcome back. Did you find other dinosaurs?
Ilagay mo na yun sa
Me?
sa lababo. Okay po.
I'm the mighty Allosaurus.
Tapos magligo ka na doon. Opo.
Then
Kunin mo yung
tomorrow.
kunin mo yung ano mo muna. Yung cellphone ko. Okay po. Una mo muna yun ah.
Yes, you're so
Opo.
young and small. Let's go when we're a bit older. Huh? That's right. They're still so small. But soon, they'll all become strong and scary Allosauruses. The best hunter, Allosaurus. Fish hunter, Spinosaurus. Tyrant lizard, Tyrannosaurus rex.
Thanks.
Shark teeth, Carcharodontosaurus.
Who is the king of dinosaurs? Me, Spinosaurus. Me, Tyrannosaurus. Gigantic jaw, spiny sail. Spinosaurus goes. Roar, roar, roar. What did you say? Sharp teeth, strong.
Videosan ko muna.
Tyrannosaurus goes. Roar, roar, roar. It's not over yet. Roar.
Spinosaurus versus Tyrannosaurus rex.
I am Tyrannosaurus Rex, the best hunter in the world. My teeth make me unbeatable. What shall we eat today?
Wait
While T-Rex was
guys.
searching for food, Pteranodon appeared in front of him.
Yeah.
The best hunter? But I thought Spinosaurus said he was the best hunter in the world.
What? Spinosaurus?
Yeah, I saw it with my own eyes. He is so good at hunting that he had a pile of big fish.
Sarap talaga maligo.
I have to see it myself. It's me, Spinosaurus. Catching fish is a piece of cake. 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish. This must be the dinosaur Pteranodon was talking about. Hey,
Ayaw
you!
makuha.
Are you the Spinosaurus that is famous for hunting? I've
Huwag
heard
tayo
of you.
makuha.
Yeah. Who dares to speak to me? I'm the
Guys.
Dinosaur King.
Ayaw talaga makuha.
Dinosaur King? You think you're the king of the
Ito
dinosaurs
lang.
just because you
Sige
love
na.
you fish?
Lagay na muna natin dyan.
I'm the real
Pero-
Dinosaur King.
Kung gusto ko ni
Rex.
Baby Trap, hindi nakukuha.
Fun. Let's try to see who's the best. Whoever catches
Ba't
more
ayaw,
fish
guys?
is the real Dinosaur
Iyan mo
King.
na yun. Lagay mo na nga dito.
That's it.
Hindi naman kasi nakukuha, guys. Mabilis naman kasi mag 14 minutes. Guys, may part 8 na po to, guys. Ha?